Hey guys, welcome to Crypto Coin Investor. In this video, we'll be taking a look at Stellar Lumens, both of its BTC as well as USD pairs. So what you're looking right now in front of you, this is the weekly chart from the Binance cryptocurrency exchange, and this is the XLM BTC. So we have bullish divergence on the weekly. The RSI is looking neutral, and we are now just testing the border of this red cloud. By the way, this red cloud is the Ichimoku cloud, and we are just retesting it, which is totally fine. I really hope the Stellar Lumens continues its upward trajectory. We have made great gains since March. We were hovering around 600 sats, and right now we are at 901 sat, which is fine. This is a solid bullish close, I would say. On the daily, we can see that we are just about to break out from this resistance that you see here. We also see bullish divergence, hidden bullish divergence on the daily on the MACD. Hopefully we will have a cross and we'll flip to the green side from here. If we don't, because we have to keep the scenarios in mind as well. If we don't, the next level to look out for would be at around 876 sats, followed by 822 sats, where we will definitely have a good bounce. Hopefully we will break out tomorrow, and we will touch 1100 sats or so pretty soon. So what are the resistance and the support levels to look out for? On the daily chart, you can clearly see that 1100 sats has been a pretty significant resistance level for Stellar Lumens. So that is the next level which I'll watch out for. After that, somewhere around 1300 sats on the daily, that is also a resistance level. On the weekly chart, you can clearly see that we are now out of the resistance zone, and honestly, the only resistance that I see is somewhere around 1700 sats and 2100 sats. Basically, if we are able to close above 1300 sats this month, and generally speaking, May is a great month for mid caps like Dash and Stellar Lumens, historically speaking. So hopefully we'll see great gains this month for the Stellar Lumens. Now let's take a look at the Stellar USD chart real quick. XLM USDT, which again I'll be using the Binance cryptocurrency exchange. You can see that we still have bullish divergence on the weekly here, which is great, which means that we're further going to see continuation to the upside. We have limited history on this chart because the Binance is a fairly new cryptocurrency exchange. So for that, I'm going to use the Poloniex cryptocurrency exchange, which offers far more history. And let me hide the Ichimoku as well. So you can see that we have been in this accumulation range, ranging from 485 sats and 944 sats from quite some time, and we have been in this range. And hopefully this time it will be different, because on the monthly we have just flipped. We are still green, and Stellar Lumens is long overdue for a pump. So yeah. So this is still the Stellar BTC chart. My mistake. This offers far more history compared to the USD chart, compared to the Binance chart, which I just discussed. And you can clearly see that Stellar Lumens like to accumulate for a long time before it have these crazy gains. So you gotta be patient with the coin like Stellar Lumens. So accumulation levels are long, and you would not want to be holding a coin that has made crazy gains. For example, if you have made 1500% gains, or maybe even 1000% gains, you should start selling. If judging by the history, if I was here, I would have sold most of my stack at or somewhere around 3100 sats, which would have made me a good amount of money. Be greedy in crypto, but do not be super greedy. That is why my targets are super conservative this time. At least for this cycle, I'm expecting at least 100% gain. A move towards 2000 sats, or maybe a wick towards 2700 sats would not surprise me. Now let's take a look at Stellar USD chart, because that is what we were supposed to do. Let us calculate it by trading view algorithm. So this is the USD chart, and you can see that our previous all-time high was made in the previous cycle, which was somewhere around 92 cents, and we are not very far away from there. You can clearly see we are somewhere around 51. We are currently hovering around 51 cents. So that would the all-time high in terms of USDT is still 82%. And even if you buy Stellar Lumens now, there's a potential that you can make 82% profit only on the USD. And just keep in mind, the US BTC has tripled itself in value, and if we triple our previous all-time high in terms of USD, that brings us to somewhere between $2.50 and $3 per Stellar Lumens. So I think the Stellar Lumens is still in the buy range. By the way, if this rally fails, we can find out the support levels by taking a look at the weekly chart and then turning on the Ichimoku indicator. Now this shows that we have very strong support at 37 sats as well as 30 cents, not sats, cents, 37 and 31 cents. And if that level fails, we have support at 20 cents. Yeah. Oopsie. Yeah, this is the one. So we have go support at 21 sats, followed by 13 cents. I don't think we'll be touching these levels though, but this is crypto. Anything can happen. If we can make a move from 7 cents in November 2020 to 50 cents, 64 cents in 2021, anything can happen. And on the USDT as well, just like BTC pair, we see a continuation on the weekly. So it's very probable that we might see we might see $1 Stellar Lumens this month, or most probably this month or next month. So yeah, that was my analysis of Stellar Lumens. By the way, we are also lagging behind on the Ethereum pair. The Ethereum is outpacing Stellar by a long shot, and I think the time of Stellar Lumens has finally come, and very soon we will be, I think, outpacing Ethereum as well. But you can see that the Stellar Lumens has been lagging behind Ethereum, and this is evident on this Stellar Lumens Ethereum chart fetched from the Binance cryptocurrency exchange. So yeah, I'm long Stellar right now, and I hope the Stellar will yield more gains than the Ethereum. So that's all about it. Hope you like this video. More similar videos are going to come. Tomorrow I'll be discussing Dash. I'll also be talking about Ethereum, Bitcoin, and many other small caps which I have ignored in the past. Zencash, Zcash, and so on. But this month I'll be doing a lot of price analysis. I'll be posting a lot of price analysis videos because May is generally a great month for altcoins. And with the Bitcoin dominance dropping like crazy, it would be a stupid idea not to sell your Bitcoin or have altcoin exposure. But that's all about it. Give this video a like if you liked it, and share with your friends. That's all I need from you guys. Just subscribe and like my videos. Nothing else. No stupid course or anything. Bye bye.